Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will find the percent of a number. What is 10% of 50? Let's start by creating a model of 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's find 10% of 50. Well, we know that 10% is 1 out of every 10, or 1/10. We noticed that when we made 50, we can take 1 out of every 10. This is 10, so we need 1. This is another 10. We need 1. This is another 10. We need 1. 1 out of every 10. 1/10. That means that 10% of 50 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10% of 50 is 5. How much would 20% of 50 be? We know that 10% is 5. We can double the 10% to find 20% of 50. What is 30% of 70? Let's create a model of 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We need to find 30%. Remember, we know that 10% is 1 out of every 10, or 1/10. So we can do that 3 times. We know how to find 10%, so we can just do 10% plus 10% plus 10% will give us 30%. Remember, 10% is 1 out of every 10. That's 10%, 20%, 30% of 70. Let's think. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 7 would be 14. Another 7 is 21. 30% of 70 is 21. How much would 60% of 70 be? We know 30% of 70 is 21. We can just double the 30 and make it 60. We know 30% of 70 is 21. Let's double it. What is 40% of 250? Let's create a model of 250. 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. We need to find 40%. Remember, we know that 10% is 1 out of every 10, or 1/10. So we can do that 4 times to get 40%. Let's do 10% plus 10% plus 10% plus 10%. That's 1 out of every 10. That's 1 out of every 10. And that's 1 out of every 10. That's 10% of 250. This would be 20% of 250. Another 10%, that would be 30% of 250. Let's do 10% one more time. This will be 40% of 250. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 40% of 250 is 100. How much would 80% of 250 be? We know 40%. Let's double the 40 and make it 80. We can just double 100. What is 50% of 36? We know 50% is half, or we can do 10% 5 times. Let's create a model of 36. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Remember, we know that 10% is 1 out of every 10, or 1/10. So we can do that 5 times since it's 50%. Let's start with the 3 tens. 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. We also notice this is half. Half of 30, which would be 15. Now we have 6 ones. We need to do 50% of the 6 ones. We know that's half. What is half of 6? We know that's 3. We have 50% of these 6 ones, and we have 50% of the 3 tenths. 15 plus 1, 2, 3. That's 18. 50% of 36 is 18, which makes sense because 18 is half, or 50%, of 36. If we add 18 plus 18, we get 36. 50% means half. How much would 25% of 36 be? We can just cut the 50% in half, which means we can cut the 18 in half. Half of 18 is 9. So 25% of 36 is 9. What is 15% of 60? Let's create a model for 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Remember, we know 10% is 1 out of every 10, or 1/10. So we can do 10% first and then add 5%. Let's start with the 10%, 1 out of every 10. That's 1 out of every 10. That's 10%. But now we need to do the 5%. 5% is half of 10%. If 10% is 1 out of every 10, then the 5 is half. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half of 6 is 3. 15% of 60 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15% of 60 is 9. 10% would be 6, but we did 15. How much would 75% of 60 be? To get to 75%, we could do 50% plus 10% plus 10% plus 5%. What is 25% of 80? Let's create a model for 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Remember, we know that 10% is 1 out of every 10, or 1/10, which means we can double it to get to 20%. So we can do 10% plus another 10%, and then half that for the 5%. All right, we're going to do 25% in 10% plus 10% plus 5%. Let's start with 10%. That's 1 out of every 10. Another 10%, that would make 20% of 80. Now, we have to do the 5%. Well, let's see how much 10% was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is half of 8? 4. Now we have 10%, 10%, and 5%. That makes 25%. Let's count. We have 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 25% of 80 is 20. How much would 30% of 80 be? We know that's 10%. 20%. How would we do another 10%?